Well, I came home a couple of days ago and my refrigerator decided it was not going to work anymore. I went to Lowe's and they had this one on sale. Never heard of the name of it. It's a Midea. But I saw a lot of really good reviews on it. This thing is quiet. It has LED lights. I mean, it's super bright in here. All your controls are right here on the door. It tells you your freezer temperature and the temperature of the refrigerator. You can change those. Ice on, ice off. You can lock it so nobody else gets into it. I mean, it's a lot of space. And this thing makes ice real quick. And so far, I'm happy with it. I don't know. The doors are, the handles are integrated into the doors. It's got the water. It's got the water, ice cubes, and crushed ice. I think I'm gonna like this. It's nice, stainless steel. All right. I'll post again in about 6 months and let you know how it's going.